Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'm Selena and today I'm showing y'all how to make a coffee smoothie. This coffee smoothie is the perfect way to start your day. In a high-powered blender, I'm going to add in 1 cup of cold brew coffee. Then half a cup of milk, and I'm using almond milk. 1 frozen banana. If you don't have a frozen banana, you can simply just add in 1 fresh banana and some ice cubes. Now I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of rolled oats. One tablespoon of cocoa powder, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and lastly 1/8 teaspoon of cinnamon. Then place the lid on and blend for 1 to 2 minutes or until smooth. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please hit that red subscribe button. I post new recipes every week. Then I like to add some chocolate on top, and this coffee smoothie is ready. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this coffee smoothie recipe. You guys can find the full recipe on my blog page at A Fairytale Flavor. I'll leave the link in the description below. And I'll see you all for next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!